Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Alright, well, go on, peeps. It's your boy Radekal Epic representing Epicflows. This video I gonna be a little bit different from the regular videos them we normally do. Now that video I go give you a look motivation. So this video is for motivational purposes. Radical motivation. So recently I learned a look life lesson. Where I kinda teach myself it, so I just say me go come impart some of my knowledge from who it can benefit and see what go on. So recently I do look washing. So after I done washing thing, I go hang out the clothes them, make them dry, take them up and thing, and then I bring them in my room. So when I bring them in my room now, I never really in a mood for fold them up and put them in a jar or whatever, do all of this type of thing. So what I do is, I put them on a chair. Something what I do so regular, like now it feel like a ritual to put clothes on a chair in my room. So yeah, so I do that. And then I carry out the rest of my day, carry out the rest of my night, and just chill back, do my thing, watch a series or whatever. And then me night come, me go all fresh and me go bed. But for about 30 minutes me there in my bed, lie down, can't sleep. Why? Cause place hot so me couldn't sleep. So me get up, me have a bottle of water by my bed. Me always keep a bottle of water by my bed. So me drink look water and then me decide say me I go wash my face in my bathroom. So the place dark as it's night, I sleep. So I take up my phone from beside me and I turn on the light, the flashlight. Put the flashlight face down on the bed so the light shine up in her ear. And I go so now and I look around like I get a look scared, I get frightened for about a second, I get frightened. Cause a shadow way the light cast on it, close them in a chair, make me they feel for a second say, oh, somebody there in a room, but when me really shine the light towards the close them on the chair, I say, oh, that. You see me? So when this come to make me realize says some of the time we put the obstruction them and the obstacles them in our way where we scare we. You see me? We own cause. We feel like we're scared to do things. We might feel like we want to apply for a job but we're scared so we're not qualified. We might want to start a business but we're afraid say we not get no support so we go fail so we not do it. You see me, we might fail if we approach somebody because we're afraid they might turn we down or for whatever reason, but right now I just come to tell you say yo, you need to remove the clothes them off our chair and stop scaring yourself. Remove the obstruction them out of your life because human beings, you know, two innate fears humans being born with. The fear of loud noises and the fear of falling. All other fears, we develop them over time. And we are the only person who stand in our ways. You see me, nobody now bad mind we, nobody now wants to see we fail, nobody now pray for we downfall. I just we ourselves are hold with each other, hold ourselves back. I just we ourselves are hold ourselves back. So you see, just like how the light either cast a shadow, I may actually turn the light in a direction you want to go. And so you need to focus your mind on your light on the direction you want to go. Slow down, take your time, assess the situation, and go towards your goal and not make nothing frighten you or scare you. You understand? Yeah man, so this has been a radical motivational video. So share the video to a friend who might benefit, who might encourage her or whatever. And check back next time for more. I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical and big.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.